Hello ladies and gents, and welcome to Tools for Dominion. Taking some time today and we'll be doing another tool review. Today it's going to be the Ryobi 18-volt narrow crown stapler. I picked this up. We're going to be working on putting some hardware cloth around a chicken coop that I've been working on, so I figured I'd snag one of these. I do have the narrow crown stapler that goes along with my air compressor, the pneumatic narrow crown stapler. That works well, no complaints about it. That's actually Porter cable. It works excellent, have no complaints. You carry around the cord, the compressor, some electricity, so I've said in the past you can't beat these cordless tools. Anyway, I figured I'd open this up and then give it a go on that hardware cloth. Always like a kid on Christmas every time you open up a tool. So, comes with the stapler, comes with a wonderful handy dandy manual, and these fantastic belt clips. So, it's the Ryobi P360 narrow crown stapler. It takes 3/8 up to 1.5 inches. They actually did include some staples with it. I also got some extra ones, some shorter ones, but pretty simple, straightforward. So we've got the clip, slides out, opens up, drop the staples in there, slide the clip in, pop it in good. You're good to go. Just like that. Fantastic. So, overall, narrow crown stapler seems to be working pretty good for me on this hardware cloth. I'm pretty impressed with it. It's working real well as I'm putting this up. I'll tell you what, it's a heck of a lot faster than that pneumatic stapler, and it is very nice not having that hose, trying to work around with that hose. I'm able to work with the hardware cloth and work with the stapler, and of course use that clip. I'm able to put that right on the pocket while I'm working with both hands. So overall, it's been pretty good. I had it jam up on me once, but it was pretty simple. I just popped that clip back and dropped the staples out, popped the clip back in, and it was good to go. So I don't know if that was just something that I did, or if it's something that will be a common occurrence, but I've done quite a few staples, and like I said, I just had that happen to me once, so not really a big deal as far as I'm concerned. Stuff kind of happens when you're dealing with the nail guns and the staplers, and depending on what you're using for quality of the staples and the nails, depends, and then if you happen to get something on them or in the machine or rusty or whatever. Anyway, the Ryobi 18-volt narrow crown stapler, that's definitely a go for me. That's pretty fantastic.